Uila provides a single console to monitor performance, capacity, and resource allocations across VMware, Hyper-V, Amazon Web Services, and Azure environments. With Uila, you can see all the assets in the public and private cloud environments. For example, within the dashboard, you can quickly identify the tiers within your environment that have issues. The inner circle represents the overall health of the data center. Going outwards, the second layer represents the cluster or the cloud region. The third layer represents the host or the virtual private cloud. And finally, all the virtual machines and instances. Uila can provide quick root cause analysis with high precision. By clicking on any of the problematic instances or virtual machines and the corresponding problematic service, Uila provides you with a correlated view to help identify where the issues lie. In this case, you can see the high application response time on the web service is due to the memory health. With this, there is no need to manually interpret issues. Let Uila do that for you. Please send an email to sme@uila.com to talk to a Uila expert.